Hey everyone, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. Thank you for coming back, and if you are new to this YouTube channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So guys, today I am going to show you how I make this delicious Nigerian coconut rice. This coconut rice is just everything and more. Anything that has coconut in it, please count me in. This rice dish is great with any side dish of your choice. So stay with me and let's get started. So for this recipe, I am going to use the following ingredients. I have my rice, spring onions, chopped garlic, mixed bell peppers, I have red and green, I have mixed herbs, smoked paprika, coconut milk, chilies. Feel free to omit chilies if you don't like spicy food. I have some chopped onions, coconut oil, Maggi Cube crayfish, and chicken stock. I will list everything in the description below. To my pot, I'm going to add the coconut oil and allow the coconut oil to melt before I add my onions and garlic. As the coconut oil has melted, I am now going to add the onions and garlic. I will fry this until it is fragrant and translucent. I am now going to add the chilies and allow the chilies to infuse with the oils, onion and garlic for about a minute. Guys, if you don't like spicy food, please feel free to omit the chilies from this recipe. Next, I'm going in with my bell peppers and I'll continue simmering on low to medium heat for about 3 minutes before I add my seasonings. As I've added the seasoning, I'm just giving this a quick stir. Guys, if I tell you the aroma coming from this right now, your household and your neighbors will be asking you, what are you cooking? Can we please come round for dinner? Next, I will be adding the chicken stock. I have the recipe on this channel, how I created this chicken stock. If you click on the suggested link above, it will take you right to that recipe. I'm just giving this a quick stir, and next I will be adding the coconut milk. In goes the coconut milk. Once I've added the coconut milk, I'm just going to mix everything together and allow the sauce to come to a boil. So whilst I'm waiting for the sauce to come to a boil, I'm going to wash my rice. As the sauce has come to a boil, everything is just smelling so good. I am now going to add my washed rice. I'll mix everything together, cover, and allow the rice to cook on low heat for about 18 to 20 minutes. Halfway through the cooking process, I am just checking on the rice to ensure that it's cooking perfectly. As you can see, the liquid has reduced. Now I am just turning the rice to redistribute heat. This will ensure the rice cooks evenly and also minimize any burning. Guys, depending on the type of rice you use it in this recipe, you may need to add a little bit of water at this stage. I am not going to add any water at this stage because the rice I'm using doesn't require that much water. I'm just going to cover and allow the rice to continue cooking. And 20 minutes later, the coconut rice is ready. Guys, if I tell you the aroma coming from this pot, my goodness, I cannot wait to tuck in. I am going to enjoy mine with my peppered chicken. I have the recipe on this channel. I will link it in the description box below. Final touches, I'm just adding my spring onions, and that's it. Coconut rice is ready. As always, guys, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so, and tell your friends and family about this YouTube channel so they can also enjoy some delicious recipes. Thank you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.